Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, or AI. But what exactly is AI? AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are designed to think like us and perform tasks such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. The concept of AI isn't new. It dates back to ancient myths and stories of artificial beings, but the term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956, and since then, it has evolved tremendously. Today, AI impacts many aspects of society. It helps doctors diagnose diseases, powers self-driving cars, and even improves customer service with chatbots. As AI continues to grow, it promises to enhance our lives even further. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must ensure that as AI advances, it remains safe, ethical, and beneficial for all. If you're intrigued by AI and its potential, hit like, subscribe, and follow us for more insights into this fascinating field. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.